What's up, guys? Welcome to the Trailvia channel. I bet you've never seen a carry-on packed like this before. Today, we're gonna do something insane. I'm challenging myself to fit an entire vacation's worth of stuff into one tiny carry-on bag. We're going all out with some mind-blowing packing hacks that'll change the way you travel forever. Are you ready for this? Let's go. All right, first up, we're tackling the bulky stuff. You know those huge winter coats that take up half your suitcase? Yeah, we're not having any of that. But we're not stopping there. For the stuff we can't wear, we're bringing out the big guns. A vacuum sealer. Watch this, it's insane. I'm gonna take this pile of clothes that would normally fill up the whole bag and shrink it down to practically nothing. It's like magic, I'm telling you. Now that we've dealt with the big stuff, it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty. Forget everything you know about folding clothes. We're gonna roll them up like burritos. It's crazy how much space this saves. Look at this. I can fit like 5 shirts in the space of one folded one. And the best part, no wrinkles. Check out these packing cubes. They're like little compression chambers for your clothes. I'm gonna stuff them so full you'll think it's impossible to zip them up. But watch this. Boom! Zipped and ready to go. And now they stack perfectly in the carry-on like Tetris blocks. It's so satisfying, you guys have no idea. Okay, we've packed the obvious stuff, but I've got some tricks up my sleeve that'll blow your mind. See this sun hat? We're gonna turn it upside down and use it as a container. Speaking of chargers, check this out. I've got an old glasses case that's about to become the ultimate organizer. And for the final touch, we're gonna use every last inch of space. I'm zipping up the bag, then opening it just a crack to stuff in those last few items. It's like playing Operation, but with clothes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Trailvia channel for more awesome travel hacks. And there you have it, guys. We did it. Everything for an entire trip packed into one carry-on bag. It's absolutely insane. I challenge you to try these hacks on your next trip. If you thought this was crazy, just wait till you see what I've got planned for next week. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what packing challenge you want me to take on next. See you in the next video. And remember, this is the Trailvia channel. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.